Kuringana na ministry ya UGIMA wa MWIRI hindi ya kuruguria uheani wa njanjo ya kurigiriria gutherema kwa murimu wa polio, ciana 6 kuma kambi-ini ya ETHARI ngui ya DADAAB kaunti-ini ya GARISSA ni ithurimitwo na ikoneka na virus cia murimu uyu. Kaunti 4 iria ni hamwe na kaunti ya GARISSA, KIAMBU, Nairobi undu umwe na kaunti ya KAJIADO nicio iri ugwati-ini munene wa murimu uyu. Minister wa UGIMA wa MWIRI Susan Kumicha akiuga ciana itanyihiire milioni 1.8 kuma kaunti-ini ici ni igukorwo ikiamukira njanjo ihinda-ini ria thiku 5 kirumaniririo.
Vaccination teams will be moving from house to house, vaccinating all children under the age of 5 irrespective of their current vaccination status. So a mother should not say that my child is already vaccinated.
Mihang'o ya uheani wa njanjo ikireka ria keri igatabanio gatagati ka mweri wa 9 na mweri wa 10. Matanya ma ministry ari gukinyira ciana itanyihiire milioni 5.6 thiini wa kaunti 10 iria ni hamwe na kaunti ya GARISSA, KIAMBU, Nairobi, KAJIADO, kaunti ya Lamu, Tana River, Wajir, Mandera, Kitui undu umwe na kaunti ya Machakos.
We want our African scientists to be able to look at the relationship between climate change and disease outbreaks like the polio.
The best way to run this campaign moving from here is to run it like a relay, that you hand over the baton to the county governments. Because down at the grassroots level, we have the network of our community health promoters.
Deto egie ungumania uria ukoretwo ugumiire ruhonge rwa KEMSA, minister ugite ihinda-ini ria mieri 2 thina uyu ni ugukorwo thirite na muingi uhote kwamukira motungata magaciru gutari na ihingica.
Out of the more than 5 billion worth of medical supplies, 2.5 billion was reserved for local manufacturers.
Hamwe noguo na Kumincha ni oritie thirikari cia kaunti kuriha thirĩ wa muigana wa ciringi bilioni 2 kuri ruhonge ruru rwa KEMSA niguo thibitari ihote kwamukira dawa na njira ya raithi.
County does not owe KEMSA anything, so we are working to ensure that those that owe pay KEMSA so that then we can pay our suppliers and be able to have stocks.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.